Hey everyone, welcome back to Ian Makes. Today we're diving into a project that's going to make handling our boat a whole lot easier. We're building a DIY boat dolly for my Pelican Bass Raider 10E. Now, you might be wondering why we need a boat dolly if we have a trailer. Well, our trailer is a right-on multi-sport trailer, which is awesome for carrying all sorts of gear, but not ideal for launching boats directly into the water. Instead, we have to manually take the boat off the trailer whenever we go boating. The Pelican Bass Raider isn't super heavy on its own, but once you add all the gear, it can get pretty hefty. And that's why we're putting together this dolly to make it easier to move the boat from the trailer to the water and to help navigate areas that are tricky to reach with the trailer. This video isn't going to be a full step-by-step guide, but more of a documentation of our build process. We'll show you what we're doing and why. And by watching, you should get a good idea of how to build something similar yourself. So, if you're looking for some inspiration or tips on how to make your own boat dolly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. We will use a 2x6 8-foot board as the main supports and a 2x4 10-foot board for cross supports and framework. Both are pressure-treated southern yellow pine, providing durability and resistance to the elements for our boat dolly. We're using stainless steel hardware for our dolly to ensure durability and longevity, including screws, washers, lag bolts, and eye hooks. This high-quality hardware will ensure a long-lasting build. We're using 10-inch fixed caster wheels from Harbor Freight to give our boat dolly the mobility it needs. These pneumatic wheels can handle rough terrain and provide a smoother ride, and the fixed design ensures that the dolly tracks straight, making it versatile and easy to maneuver. We're using the EcoRug Select Element 6x8 charcoal outdoor rug from Lowe's to protect the boat. This durable outdoor rug adds a layer of protection against scratches and dings, making it safer and easier to handle the dolly. We are using stainless steel staples to hold it on, a lot of them. Alright folks, it's time for the obligatory build montage. We've got a lot of work ahead of us, so sit back and enjoy the highlights as we put our DIY boat dolly together. We'll be cutting, assembling, and securing everything step by step. You'll see us handling the lumber, attaching the hardware, and of course working on the wheels. But fair warning, putting the carpet on was definitely the most challenging part. Getting it to fit snugly around the frame and securing it took some serious patience. So, if you're planning to build one yourself, be prepared for a bit of a struggle there. Our DIY boat dolly is complete. I'll be testing it over the next few weeks and sharing my thoughts in an upcoming video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on Ian Makes.